Hello friends, very good evening. Hope you are doing good. And myself Bala here. I'm welcome you to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet along with my advanced option trading strategy. So we have completed this July contract. So the next contract which is going to be start from 1st of August. So tomorrow we are not going to focus any trades. Maybe this weekly sheet will be updated for only 1 day trading. So you can, if you wish, you can focus for a weekly opportunity. That is what an August contract that will be updated here in this Google Sheet. And by weekly positional, so we have a lot of positional and almost 28 to 30 stocks which given you entry, maybe the lower premium in the last week of expiry we have a lower premium, so up to 30% more than 30%, 28 stock, more than 40% almost 25 stocks, more than 50% almost 21 stock, which given you the better result for our positional trading on weekly basis. But this is what a last week we don't get a more stocks for a trading and more stocks for a trading, but a low liquidity and high margin. So that is what the main reasons of most of the trades which we can't able to attend. But the same concept which you are applying for a put side, that is almost 10 almost 9 stocks and 30% more than almost 12 stocks in a put side. And in monthly positional, so we have almost more than 50%, is nothing, almost 19 stocks. From this 19 stocks, some of the stocks like Dr. Reddy, Lupin, BSOP already reaching more than 30, and more than 40% we have a 23 stocks, and 30% is about 27 stocks in a monthly positional. So all the stocks may not given you the entry, but so the stock which given you the retracement opportunity, many stocks, and opened by the gap up, so we are ignoring some stocks, at least 20 plus stocks which triggers our target. And we are facing some losses on a 4 stocks. One is HDFC Bank in call side is what triggered a stop loss, and one more stock, I think 4 stock NTPC, I think. So 4 stock Kotak Bank, I think first time it triggers stop loss, second time it reaching to the top. And put side we have a 3 more, almost 5-6 stocks which given you the opportunity. So those trades, every trades which we are directly connecting to our advanced option strategy. While if you know that advanced option strategy, this is what the easiest way to find out the real-time trade opportunities based on our concept. Okay, so here these are all the options. So if you are looking at, maybe entry can be triggered any point of the time. So but our target can be achieved, and we are maximum holding period for our advanced option strategy, it's up to 30 days. That means till expiry. Maybe most of the stocks, look at the Jindal Steel 590 call option. So that is what a trade when it is triggered, Jindal Steel 590 call option. Okay, so right now it is not traded with the liquidity. Why? Because of it is already moved higher. It's about a 15 minutes. We are tracking this strike price from beginning of July. So our entry point is somewhere around 37.6. When our 37.6 got triggered at this particular day. So look at this, 37.6 is our entry point which got triggered on this particular day on 5th of July. So it is a positional trade, we are not going to take for a intraday. But if you are going for a fresh breakout trades, so 5th July we have the entry on this stock, and immediately it went up to 54 plus. Okay, from 37, almost 14 points that increased. But even if I'm waiting for a target, so again it given back to the same level, and even it goes lower, but it was not triggered our stop loss. And the second time it went up. So maybe from 5th of this month we have took this entry, and it gradually moving, and on 17th it went up to maximum of 57 and 60, nearby 60 rupees on 17th, and our target get achieved. And now finally it went up to 73. It's a positional one, so lot of stocks, not only Jindal Steel, L&T also we are looking for 2480, and within a 2 days I think L&T 2480 call option. To 480 call option. When did this entry got triggered? So look at this, the entry is around 21st Okay, so where our entry price is something like 109. Okay, so LNT. So 109 is our entry point. From this beginning of this month, we don't get any opportunities on this stock, and maybe here around 20th. So 109 maybe triggered here, something like I think it was triggered on 21st. Okay, so 109, and next day it went up to 144. So again it came down to 97, almost to 26th of July, that is yesterday, the stock got triggered our target. So most probably while using our advanced option strategy, if the weeks number of expiry weeks is 4 weeks, we will wind up our trading new position taking is about up to 15th of the month. We are going to close it because we can't able to hold it on a last week. So let me compare this, and here this is the week we have only 4 week expiry, so we need to take a trade for the first 3 weeks, the first 2 weeks only, and the third week also be a very less. If you are going to focus on a third week, end of third week, so we can't able to hold it, so we can simply ignore the trades which we are. But in August contract, if you are looking for, we have almost 5 weeks, so we can trade up to 18th or 20th of this month, 21st. So because it is expiring at last week, so here we have a 5 days, and from Monday to, so almost 4 weeks we can do option trade, and last week is about a fifth week is the expiry. This kind of time we can use our new entries up to 20th of this month. If you have less trading session, that means the less number of weeks, 4 weeks mean we need to wind up around 15 to 17th then. Okay, so next week is the bigger expiry, that next month August, so we have to focus many opportunities. Dr. Reddy IDFC, it's about a trade 104. It was a beginning trade. This was a trade which we have got it on a beginning 104, and you can see it is the beginning and the starting of the day itself. 5.8 is our entry point. So exactly in the next candle, this is happening on 3rd of July. It triggers 5.9 or 6 rupees and immediately went up to 9 rupees, and after that it reaching towards 13. But this is a high volume, high lot size, so if it is a deep in the money, it would not be traded very well. So before that it is triggers our target within a 2 days, maybe on 3rd it triggers 3rd July, same day I think it triggers our target. So that is also be a trade which we are looking for based on our advanced positional strategy. So this is a scanner. We are going to use the stocks, we are going to filter out the stocks. Initially we are doing with the stocks filtration method by using a charting and Opstar website. Okay, but here we created this Google sheet, it may be helping into real-time trading. So we find out simple options that was giving you such a better thing to find out the trade opportunities, and a lot of opportunities which we are going to make by using the system. And if you want to trade and learn about the trading system, I just provided my website in this description. You just open that and you can go to the courses and even find out the details about the course. And if you wish to enroll, you can go for a one recording classes, or if you wish to take one-to-one classes, that's also be possible. And you just contact me, the number is shown on this WhatsApp. And you are asking about a Telegram group. So Telegram group is I'm just running for a scanners. So this is what a paid premium scanners which I have not shared to my YouTube as well as my Telegram, free Telegram channel. Okay, so this is the scanners which have a more accuracy, and also lot of scanners will be available, maybe one or two which can be helping you. Okay, I don't suggest you to use all the thing. I'll suggest you take some of the indicators or some of the things which you can use it for. I hope you understood, and this month is a perfect month. We have a lot of stocks, and that given you such a good opportunity for those months. In July we are successfully ending with July. We can waiting for August. We can start our weekly positional from Monday and monthly positional from Tuesday 1st of August. And one more important update, so this sheet monthly still remaining same, whatever the premium and price it's showing you for August contract, the strike price and premium closing price will not be changed. Okay, so don't confuse about monthly, and weekly also don't confuse about. So tomorrow you can focus weekly, so you may be getting some opportunity. It looks like a intraday only. Okay, so monthly positional is going to be updated from 1st of July, sorry 1st of August, and weekly should be updated from Monday. So tomorrow also new update will be there, that is for only one day. And temporary file, it's looking good, and we have a lot of opportunities in Cipla, almost 700%. That is a huge. So finding this trade opportunity is quite difficult. So many number of trades which is triggers based on our concept. So that one I am just looking out for, and maybe this one will help us to make such a good opportunity. In I'm just still it is in a real time testing only. Okay, it's not you don't use this sheet as of now. Thank you for watching, and if you want to this Google sheet, it's about a monthly subscription. If you want, you can just ping me on the WhatsApp number, or you can first go to my website and read how to use it first of all. Without knowing that our option strategy also you may use. Okay, so that you can go to our website. Simply you can go to the courses, and here is about how to use the Google sheet. It's about 97 rupees. And after watching these videos, so you can just go to get courses, and these are all the content which you can see about how to use that option sheet. So here option scanner introduction, so how to use it and how to break out entry or charting, any other criteria, so everything will be mentioned here. So after completing this, if you really this sheet will really helpful to you make use of this, and you can get this sheet and you can make use of it. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you for watching this, and if you have any questions or a doubt, just comment in the comment box. Meanwhile, if you are not subscribing this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button to get more update. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this, and keep supporting and subscribing the channel. Thank you so much.